what we'll do first, we are doing sum number 4. So first we will draw layout. So we'll draw plus and we'll draw 30 degree on both the sides, right? Length is how much? Length is C. 35 plus 15, 50. Plus 35, 85. 85 plus 30, sorry, 85 plus 35, 120. You can do this way also. 35, 35, 70. 70 plus 50, 120. So length is 120. So this side you will take 120 on right side of O. Got it? Left side you will take 70 because 20 plus 30 plus 20 is 70. And height, if you see, is 35, 35, 35, so 70. So first you draw this layout. All of you can draw layout first. Okay. So this is how it will appear. See. First we will draw like this. Got it? After that, if you see in front view, there are how many parts? 2 parts. Part 1 and part 2. So which one is nearer to you? 1 or 2? So that from front view, so you can't make out. So then you have to see top view. The part which is nearer to you is down. So part that is 1 over here and 2 over
And
here.
total, how many sums are in the sheet in total?
5, 5, total 5.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah. So this is the last one. Otherwise, we have done all the sums. Okay. So this is part 1 and part 2. So first we will draw part 1, which is nearer to us. So first you draw layout and then you start with 50. I'll have to do the update. So I'll take 50. I'll go up. Again, I'll draw a line from here. 15. Now this Y height is not given to you, but this angle is given to you. So what you need to do, you need to find out this remaining height or Y height. See, total height is how much? 70, right? So वो अपना ये है ना एक्वागार्ड, उसके बाजू में देखो बहुत सारा वाटर. Sorry. So you need to find out this height. How will you find out this height? See, total is 70. 70 minus y will give you this height. But I don't know how to find out y, but I know how to find out this. See, they have given angle, and this distance is given 35. Right? So what you do, outside you draw 35 and you draw 45-degree angle. So when you do this, automatically you will get 35 because it is 45, no? So you have to show construction like this and take 35 and join this. So this way you can draw part 1. Now whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that logic, you can draw this.
Sir, can you repeat it? I didn't understand.
Okay. What I am saying, since I have to find out this distance, right? This y or this distance, which is 70 minus y. So this distance, yes. So this distance is given 35 and this angle is given 45 degrees. So what I will do, I will draw one horizontal line of 35 and I will draw 45-degree angle. And then I will draw vertical line, so that distance would be automatically 35. So that I'll mark 35 over here and I will join. I will draw part 1. And I'm saying part 1 mein whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. So according to that logic, It will be this way. Got it? ऐसा आएगा. So first you complete part 1. Once you're done with the part 1, then I will explain you the slot and then we'll do the circle part. Okay? Now after this, what we need to do, we need to draw this part. We now, this is generally not given, but in your diagram it is already drawn. So this you won't be having it on your paper, right? So you need to draw this. So what you have to do, you have to draw one line. Let's say you just draw one random line, then keep a gap of 30 in between and draw another line. Then how much is this distance? 15. So take midpoint of this. Let's say you take midpoint of this and you draw horizontal line and you cut 15. इसको आप 15 लिख दीजिए यहाँ पे. उसके बाद क्या करना है, you draw one vertical line. ठीक है, and you draw 60 degree. आप ऐसा करोगे तो आपको ऐसा dovetail slot मिलेगा. This slot is called dovetail slot, right? So then you find this value. इस वैल्यू को हम लोग x लिखते हैं. X on both the side. It will be same. So that's why I'm writing x. Now what I need to do, 15. So I will take 15 in my compass. I will cut here. See, I will take 15 my compass, and from here I will go up by this line and I will draw line from here. ऐसा बनेगा. हाँ. So you draw a line like this. Then you take midpoint. इसका midpoint ले लो 35. इसका midpoint ले लो 35. And you draw a line. ऐसे. Got it? So what I did, I took 15. मैंने 15 लिया यहाँ से. I went up, straight line. And then I did line like this. Then midpoint लेके line बना दिया. ये point मिल गया. Now how much is this? दोनों side x x. So you take यहाँ से you take ये point से x, ये point से x. So you cut x x on both the sides. How much is this? 30. So from center, so you take 15, 15 on both the sides. ऐसे करना है हम लोग. Then you need to join. What we have to do? We have to join this. See this. Like this. ऐसे बना दो. This will be dark. That's why initially I said don't do anything dark. इतना कर दो.
So what's the back ka measurement? The thing that connects the two things, the x and x thing.
X you need to find out now, beta. You need to draw it on your paper.
What's the measurement of that?
It's given now. This is 30. Distance between 2 points is 30. See
Yes.
from here to here it is 30. And you draw one light line. You take midpoint of that and you take 15. And you take this angle 60 degree. See ऐसा है.
Yes, sure.
हाँ बोलो. Any doubt? So you need to draw this dovetail slot first. Draw this dovetail slot. Once you're done with this dovetail slot, what you need to do? You need to project. You need to take 15 from here, go up, draw line. Then you take midpoint, draw line. Take this value of x and you cut here. You wait. Dono side you can cut. You take x on both the sides and you cut like this. Now after this, I need to take all these points down. So what I will do, I will go down by how much? Whatever the height you have been, right? Remaining. So you go this way, you take this down, you take this down, you take this down, right? This will be dark, will be dark. Now what we need to do? See this. Now we need to project this line inside like this. See, this is important. Project this line here and you draw line from here. Got it? See this once again. Project line from here and project line from top, this corner, straight. So when you do that, right, you'll get this line. I'll do it with a different color. See this. And you join this way. Understood? This is what you need to draw. Now what you have to do, now you draw this part. So see it's 70, right? And in between we have 20. 70 minus 20 is 50. So you take 25, 25 on both the sides and you draw this. So this is what you will get. Top view, this part. See there is no line over here. So if I can erase like this. Got it? Then what you have to do? Then from here you go down by 70. You go down by 70 and 70. So when you do this, you get a rhombus. Then you draw longest diagonal. You have midpoint. So from here you join midpoint. From here you join midpoint like this. After that, what you need to do, see from this point you draw this curve. See, from this point you can draw this curve. From this point, this way, like this. Got it? And then you have to take this part behind. Then it's like a normal sum. How much you have to take this behind? 20. And again you draw and you draw tangent from here also. And then you can draw curve. This curve. आगे का curve पीछे भी होगा ना? So I'll do it with a different color. Wait. Like this. So draw this much, then we can draw inner circle, then we are done. Inner circle is very simple. You have this 70, 70, 70. No? You mark midpoint, 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 you get a center. Now from center point you take 20 up, 20 down, 20 left, 20 right. And you draw circle. Okay? Try this.